Which of the following statements best expresses the main idea of the passage? A. Sharks need expensive transportation in order to mate. B. Shark populations are not endangered anymore. C. Artificial insemination of sharks is a lower-cost solution to increasing healthy and genetically diverse shark populations. Or D. Artificial insemination is not stressful for sharks. When locating the main idea of a passage, it can be helpful to go through the options given while asking yourself, do all the sentences in the text either lead up to, mention, or expound upon this idea? Let's go through our choices for some examples. A. Sharks need expensive transportation in order to mate. We see this mentioned briefly in the final sentence of the text, which tells us that moving sharks from one place to another is a costly process. However, because none of the other sentences in the passage mention this, it can't be our main idea and can be marked off. B. Shark populations are not endangered anymore. Although it's true that scientists have been able to use artificial insemination to bring 97 baby sharks to life, the shark population is still far from being considered not endangered. Because this idea isn't suggested anywhere in our text, it can be marked off. C. Artificial insemination of sharks is a lower-cost solution to increasing healthy and genetically diverse shark populations. This is very likely our answer. The artificial insemination of sharks, including its benefits, drawbacks, and outcomes, are mentioned throughout the second paragraph. And although the first paragraph doesn't mention it explicitly, it supplies vital information for our understanding of the second paragraph, and therefore contributes to the main idea. Because we can see that every sentence in the text comes back to this point in one way or another, it is likely our final answer, but we'll look at choice D just in case. D. Artificial insemination is not stressful for sharks. The text tells us that moving the sharks can be stressful for them, but it doesn't comment on whether artificial insemination is or isn't. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect, and choice C can be marked as our final answer.